The Zimbabwe Republic Police, ZRP, has reported the discovery of arms of war in Huringu, where a farmer stumbled upon a box containing 507 rounds of a PKM machine gun. The ammunition was taken to the Zimbabwe National Army, ZNA, 23 Combat Group in Maganj, said police in a statement. On 21/1/21, ZRP Maganj recorded a case of discovery of arms of war at Karenga village, Chieftaindera, Huringu by a farmer, 42, who was working on his field with an ox-drawn plow. 507 rounds of a PKM machine gun were unearthed in a rusty box measuring about 30 x 25 x 15 centimeters in size. Meanwhile, the ammunition was taken to ZNA 23 Combat Group Maganj. In October last year, a Gweru farmer stumbled on a plastic bag with 3 AK-47 assault rifles on a plot on the outskirts of Gweru. The AK-47 rifles were rusty, a sign that shows that they had been hidden underground, probably for more than 5 years. While some wondered if the weapons had been hidden during the Liberation War, police sources said there was a possibility that the weapons could have been used and abandoned by armed robbers.